We've improved our MIDI Analyzer. You wanna check this one out. MIDI Analyzer tool on Tshepho piano. I think that's why it's one of my favorite features, right? Because I've never seen something like this. And as we build it, we build based on what is out there and what we can right, and we are using the users' feedback, we are using musicians' feedback. Your feedback help us to continue to improve these features that are on Tshepho piano, and we appreciate those feedback. Keep them coming. MIDI Analyzer, my god, first of all, the sound there, I like it, right? So a lot of platforms like your chord, right, chord app, so you are able to connect your MIDI, but the sound still needs to come from your you can use MainStage or whatever tool or software that you will have to use. So it only gives you the visuals. But with Tshepho piano, right, the MIDI Analyzer on Tshepho piano, it's got the sound and it's web-based. So it means that it's not going to be heavy on your machine. You don't have to save anything on your local machine. It's basically on web. Right, that's the beauty about it. And of course, you can start using it for free today, right? The beauty about this thing, the sound there, the piano sound there is rich, is so good. And the reason I'm emphasizing on the sound is because if you had to understand, it's not easy to crack that kind of a sound on a web base, right? Because that kind of a sound, like a lot of web based piano tools or any tool that produces the sound, the sound is not that good. So it took a lot of practice, testing, QCing, and making sure that you get the feedback, and we're going to continue to improve on that, right? So the sound there is good, and we've improved this. So now when you play, it detects the chord and it shows you the chord. So if you are someone who's teaching piano online sometimes, like myself, or who's doing covers, I'm telling you, MIDI Analyzer is the platform that you want to check, because it allows you to record right from them. So basically, it's saving you time to use other platforms that you'll use to record, like the likes of OBS or whatever tool that you might be using at the moment when you're doing your piano covers, tutorials, or whatever, as someone who teaches piano, right? Or just someone who wants to practice, right? Or just practicing. You are not an instructor or anything like that. It's all good, but you want to be able to see the chords that you're playing online, right? And if you want that validation to say, okay, it's fine, I'm playing a major 7, I've seen this or I've heard this, but I'm not sure. That MIDI Analyzer is super smart. It's going to tell you if you're playing the wrong note, it's not going to print that note, right? So you got to check it out. It's amazing. And of course, all other features that I might not have mentioned them, but look, it's also allow you going to be able to to record the progression. Is going to print out the chords as you play them. That's the beauty about it. If you want to create your own customized sheet, or maybe you're playing a song, you want to give someone those chords, it's going to print them out. That is super smart. And other than that, there are a lot more features on this MIDI Analyzer. You gotta check it out today. We built this just for you musicians. Go check it out and you're gonna love this.